Hello everyone, welcome to Python course. In this video you will learn about Python, how we can to create a Python example, how we can to run Python programs, and we will explain Python parts. We need per command line, like I will use this command line in Visual Studio. Okay, here we can to write Python programs and run program and get output. Okay, let's start. First is what's Python. Python is a popular programming language, is released in 1991. And what can Python do? Python can be used on server to create web application. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database system. It can also read and multiply files. Also, Python can be used to handle big data, perform complex mathematics. Also, why we use Python? Because Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, and other. Okay, and Python has syntax that allow developer to write program with fewer lines. Okay, that some other programming language. Okay, and now we just want to write Python first program. How we can to write Python first program? We just need to write print. Okay, after this we need parentheses and double quotation, and we need to write something. Okay, like this. How we can to write? Just we can write by this way Python first program, simple program. Okay, and we can to run this program, and we will get output like hello world. Okay, we will get the output in the middle of double quotation or single quotation. Okay, also we have first topic in Python, comments. How we can to create comments in Python? Comments will be ignored by compiler. That will be no compile. Okay, and now how we can to create comments in Python? We have comments in Python in every language. Also, we have in Python comments. Okay, we can to create comment in Python just by inserting a hash and the start of the line. Okay, look at this. The first line we have a hash and the start. This line is comment. This is not compiling by compiler. Okay, like I will run program, we will just print the second line. Okay, we just have output of the second line hello world. We can to create Python comments, multi-line comment. Python does not support multi-line comment. If you want to create multi-line comment, you need to insert hash in the start of every line. Okay, also we have variables. Variable are container for storing data values. Okay, we have we can to create variables. Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable are created the moment you first assign a value to it. Okay, like what? How we can to create variable in Python, and how we can to assign value to variable. Okay, I will just paste program here. This is the first variable, x is variable, and this assigned to x is 5, and y is another variable, and assigned to variable to y is John. Okay, now we just want to print this variable. How we will get output? We have 5 and John. The first one is integer, the second one is string. Okay, Python no need, you don't need to define data type in Python. Okay, case string, if you want to specify the data type of a variable, this is called case string in Python. Okay, like what? Like this, just define a variable and assign value to variable, and just write type function. Okay, just write type function in Python. Okay, Like what? Like x is equal to from string data type we have 3, and y from integer data type we have 3, and z from float data type we have 3 also we have. Okay, these are the comments, okay, because they have hash and the start. Okay, but this is not working. I will remove first this comments. Okay, like this I will remove first this comments. Okay, and first I will print this variable. Okay, like what? Like this. Okay, just write enter here and just write print and parentheses. After this you will have new program output. Like what? We will have this 3 output of x comma y comma z. Just write this variable names and you will get output. Okay, now we have the first 3 is string, the second 3 is integer, and the third 3 is from float data type. Okay, also we have another how we can to get data type in Python. You can get the data type from Python, okay, by type function. Okay, how we can to get data type from Python? We don't need to define data type like this. X is equal to pipe, no need for defining data type. Now we just want to print type of x and print type of y. We will get now data type of these 2 variables. Okay, like how? Now we want to run program, we will get data type of this. The first class data type is integer, the second class data type is string. Okay, and in Python we can use string and double quotes, and also we can use single quote, and also we have another topic in Python. Python variable name in Python is case sensitive. Okay, like what? Like a by small letter is equal to 4 and a by capital letter is equal to silly. Okay, the first one is integer, the second one is string. Okay, name is also, or name of variable is also a. No, the first is small letter and the last is capital letters. This main Python in Python variable name has case sensitive. Okay, this is our different variable. Okay, the first output is 4 and the second output is silly. Okay, this main Python is case sensitive and variable name. Okay, variable name, we can to use variable name we start with the letters or underscore. Variable name cannot start with a number. Variable name can be contain alphanumeric character and underscore from A to Z, from 0 to 9 and underscore. Variable name are case sensitive, like age, like age, like age. Okay, first letter capital, all capital, and small letter. These are different variable. Our variable name cannot be any keyword of Python, like class, like integer, like other keyword. Okay, now we have example of legal variable name, like my var. This is legal, and my var underscore have, and we have underscore in the first, and also we have capital letters in variable name, and also we have all capital letters in Python variable, and also we have small letters. This is legal variable name, and this is illegal variable name, because in the first we have number. This is illegal variable name. Also, like another one, we have space and the name. This is illegal variable name. If we don't want to remove space, this is illegal. Okay, money value to multiple variable. How we can to assign money values to multiple variable? Okay, like what? Like this. X is one variable, y is another variable, and z is another variable. This is all assigned to this orange banana chili. Okay, these three string assigned to this variable, and now we want to print just this variable output. Okay, we will get, okay, orange, banana, cherry. We have these three output. Okay, we can use to assign multiple value to multiple variable, and also we can to use assign to multiple variable one value. Like what? Like this. Okay, just we have three variable and we have one value like orange. Output of this every variable will be orange. Okay, because we assign it orange to every variable like x, y, and z. X is equal to y, y equal to z, z equal to orange. We have all output of orange. Okay, another topic, we have unpack a collection. How we can to unpack a collection of values in a list tuple. Okay, how we can we have just name of tuple like fruit, and we have curly brackets, square brackets, sorry, and we have string name between them, we have comma, and now variable we have assigned fruits. This list name we assign it to this variable, and now we want to print just this variable. This will be assigned okay, sequentially. Okay, the first one is apple, the second one banana, and the third one cherry. Okay, also we have global variable in Python. Global variable, this variable called global variable, that's defined outside of the function. Okay, every variable that define outside of a function, this is called global variable, and that's variable that you assign define inside of a function, this is called local variable. Like we have one variable by name x is equal to avisam. This is outside of this function. Okay, now we have definition of a function, and we have just print of this variable inside of a function, and we have recall of a function, and we will have output. Now this is called global variable that define outside of a function. Okay, and here we have just this variable outside of a function. Also we have the global keyword. If you want to define global variable inside of a function, how we can just use the global keyword to define global variable inside of a function. Like what? Like this. Now we will have okay, in the first we have defining of a function. Okay, and the middle in the inside of a function we have global keyword and name of a variable, and also we have just x, and now we just print this variable outside of a function. We defining inside of a function, and we will get output outside of a function. Python is fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, this is working very good. We can to create inside of a function global variable by global keywords. Okay, this was the first video of Python course. I will try to create more effective videos about Python course, and